Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix wide screen of death on iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is happening for many of the users right now, and how you can fix it. So let's dive into this. So this is how it exactly looks like when the wide screen of death happens on your phone 13 Pro Max. So the only one solution is all about you have to do a force restart on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. So to do a force restart, you have to press volume up followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So I'm going to do this over here, so that's going to fix you guys out. So let me press this volume up followed by volume down, and I'm going to press and hold the power button over here unless and until I see the Apple logo. So keep on pressing. When you see the Apple logo, all you have to do is you just need to wait, because this has to get loaded up completely. And once after that, most probably the issue regarding wide screen of death on your iPhone 13 Pro Max will be completely fixed. And now, as you can see, the phone is get loaded up, and if you launch your phone, and this is how it looks like, and now the wide screen of death is completely vanished. And this is how we can do this step. Still the issue is not proceeding. If you're trying with the 13 Pro Max, you are doing a force restart, is still not working, we can claim the warranty, or you can talk to the technicians on the nearby Apple, and they're gonna help you guys out. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.